Using Excel's spelling checker is a vital habit for maintaining top-notch professionalism in all your spreadsheet work. The spelling checker is a tool that 1. Scans your active worksheet or selected cells and looks for words that do not match its built-in dictionaries. 2. Highlights potential misspellings, particularly words it does not recognize. 3. Suggests corrections and offer alternative spellings. 4. Allows you to manage unrecognized words so that you can ignore them, add them to a custom dictionary, or change them. Unlike Word, Excel's focus is primarily on spelling, as it deals more with data and labels than with full sentences and grammatical structures. How to use the spelling checker in Excel. 1. Prepare your worksheet. Open a new Excel workbook and create a similar table as the following, noting that we intentionally misspelled the items on the table. 2. Launch the spelling checker. To launch the spelling checker, first, select where to check. To check the entire active worksheet, click on any single cell, e.g., A1. To check only a specific range of cells, select that range. Second, go to the Review tab on the ribbon. Third, in the Proofing group, click Spelling, or simply press the F7 key on the keyboard. The spelling dialog box will appear. It will highlight the first unrecognized word it finds. 3. Respond to suggestions. For each word the spelling checker flags, you will see several options in the spelling dialog box. Let's explain the functions of each option below. Suggestions. Excel will offer a list of possible correct spellings. If you see the correct word, click on it in the suggestions list, then click Change. Change. Use the Change button to replace the currently flagged word with the selected suggestion. Change All. Use this button to replace all instances of the currently flagged word with the selected suggestion throughout the selected range or worksheet. Always use this with caution. Ignore once. This skips a single instance of the flagged word. It is useful if it is a deliberate misspelling or a unique phrase you don't want to change. Ignore all. This skips all instances of a specific flagged word in the current check. It is useful for specific product codes or internal jargon that you know is correct but is not in the dictionary. Add to dictionary. If the word is spelled correctly but is not in Excel's dictionary, e.g., your unique last name, a specific company acronym, a brand name, etc., click this to add it to your custom dictionary. Excel will then recognize it in the future and will not flag it as a misspelling. Autocorrect adds the word and its correction to your autocorrect list, so Excel will automatically correct it for you every time you type it incorrectly in the future. E.g., typing TEH will automatically become THE. The Options takes you to Excel Options in the Proofing tab, where you can customize dictionary settings, autocorrect options, and more. 4. Complete the check. Continue reviewing and acting on each flagged word using the above options. Once the checker has gone through all the words, a message will appear with the info, Spell check complete. Click OK to end the check.
Take note of the following best practices while using the spelling checker. Proofing language. Ensure Excel is checking against the correct language. For example, if you're using British English, e.g., COLOUR, but Excel is set to US English, e.g., COLOR, you'll get many unnecessary flags. To set the proofing language, go to the Review tab. In the Proofing group, click Spelling. In the Spelling dialog box, locate the Dictionary Language drop-down and select your desired English option, e.g., English, United Kingdom. Selected range versus whole sheet. Always be mindful of whether you have selected a range or are checking the entire sheet. Context is king. The spelling checker only knows if a word is in its dictionary. It won't tell you if you used there when you meant there, if both are spelled correctly. Always do a manual human review for clarity and meaning. Numerical data. The spelling checker generally ignores numbers and formulas, focusing only on text. Comments. Spell checker also checks text within cell comments, so don't forget to review them. While not a full grammar wizard, Excel's spelling checker is an indispensable tool for maintaining the accuracy and professionalism of your spreadsheets. By leveraging its features, from accepting suggestions to adding custom words, you ensure your data is not just correct, but also communicated flawlessly. Mastering this simple yet powerful function is a clear step to keep your work clean, clear, and credible.